Welcome. So today a really cool trick with your charging case of AirPods. So let me show you how to make the phone stand from this case. So let's open the case, pull out the AirPod first and the second, and right now you have to open it and put the iPhone here. And of course you have to be really careful because it's not like super steady, but if you are in the home in the safe place you can use it. So right now you can go, for example, to the YouTube and watch some videos, and yeah, this is how it works. Thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and of course comments below.